Hi, my name is Keegan Foe, and I'm part of the ARTonomous group. I will be discussing the methodology we plan to use in order to incorporate multiple sensors that will help our system succeed, as well as our system constraints that will keep our system running smoothly and ultimately meet the user's expectations. First of all, ARTonomous is our artificially intelligent robot or system that will transform audio music into visual art pieces in order to aid the hearing impaired. One side will be a live feed that creates art throughout the song, while the other is one final piece that will encompass the overall mood. To do this, my group plans to incorporate two sensor inputs. The first is going to be an audio file. This audio file will be broken up into signals in order to determine the volume, rhythm, and tone. The next input we plan to use are the song's textual lyrics. We plan to use Google's speech recognition API, which will process a singer's words and help the system interpret the song better. Key words and emotional words will help determine the mood of the song. This is where our system really stands out from the other existing systems. By breaking down the lyrics, we can analyze the artist's vision and display that on the screen for the hearing impaired to experience too. Once the keywords are discovered, our system will depict images that are similar. Of course, we want our system to be the best, but we had to put system constraints on it in order for it to be achievable in our time standard. Our first and biggest constraint is cost. We want to minimize the costs so our system is readily available for everyone. We want everyone to experience music and its many forms. This is why our first implementation will only create the artwork to be displayed on the computer screen. It will display colors and strokes of different weights depending on what the song's mood is. In the future, we would like to add vibrations to stimulate other senses as well. But we would need additional hardware and technology and equipment to do so. Our next constraint is using Python. We plan to use Python because of the many open source libraries that are available to us as students. We will be able to focus on other aspects rather than building our own customizable software. Of course, if more time and budget permits, we can build our own program. And finally, we made ARTonomous to be constrained to only English songs. We intend to use Google's speech recognition API in order to process and index the song's lyrics. We as a group feel most comfortable implementing the English language, but later on, our system has a possibility of incorporating other languages. At the end of this project, we hope to build a system that will grow as its lifetime and databases develop. That's it for me. Thanks for listening. Now on to the next segment.